Hello everyone, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Got some unique headphones here. These are bone conducting headphones. Have you ever heard of that? They don't actually go into your ear hole. They sit outside, they use vibration. They're pretty cool. Now, I edited this a little bit weird because at the end, I totally missed out on a feature. There's a safety feature here with this LED bar across the top of the headphones flashes in different colors, and that's really cool, and it's really good for safety if you're out in the evening time on your bicycle, walking, things like that. And it's kind of beautiful. But anyway, let's go ahead and unpack and unbox this. Absolutely everything you're going to need is going to be included in the box: your instructions, your charger, everything. And this should be super easy. Now, the name brand on here is Rhythflo, like rhythm flow, Rhythflo. Bone conduction headphones, open ear earbuds with a light bar. There's also 32 gigabytes of built-in storage. When's the last time you had headphones or a portable music player with some onboard storage? Well, you can use the included proprietary USB cable to go ahead and pump this up with jams that'll stay on there permanently until you manage them like an external hard drive. Really cool. I'll give you the price on this. Don't be shocked. $99.99. It's because they're quality. Everything about these screen quality. The fit is perfect. The sound is exactly what you would expect from bone conduction headphones like this. Extra features. It seems durable. The only drawback we'll get to towards the end, and that's when you need to charge this device. But I was super impressed. I'd actually never gotten my hands on a pair of these bone conduction headphones. I didn't know what they were about, but now I get it. It's a lot to do with safety. And these are also, they have a water resistance or a waterproof rating, which is good. I think these would last a long time. There's really nothing to them to break. And the way they're built, they're not going to get wet. It's really cool. So yeah, okay, the advertised price when you use the link and you go on Amazon, $99.99. All right, but there's a $30 coupon, and that coupon's been there forever. Alternatively, the brand new Silly store is open. SillyReviews.com/store. Anything extra that I'm not going to use, if the company sent me to, or anything I just want to sell for my house. I'm cutting out middlemen. I'm cutting out fees to eBay, Marketplace, dealing with those retards. We are selling direct. I'm selling direct to you for super cheap. I'm going to mail it to you myself. I might include some freebies. I might write you a love note. You never know. But SillyReviews.com/store. This is listed. Now, by the time you get there, I don't know if it'll still be there, but it'll be dirt cheap. Or go ahead and get a brand new unopened box set from the link in the description and show them some love. But everything about this is a nice presentation. If you know somebody who wants to listen to music while they run, ride their bicycle, push their baby, and they want to hear traffic, they want to hear conversations, they want to hear the phone ring, they want to hear maybe a couple of teens or youths at the park around dusk creeping up behind them, this is a good idea because you can hear the music pretty darn well, but your ears aren't covered, so you can hear everything around you. There's the part I don't like. Look at the video. That proprietary plug, do not like it. It's a magnetized type deal. It sticks really well. Low. You even have some earplugs that come with this. That's cool. But that's the only thing I don't like is that proprietary plug. But everything is built so well that as long as you don't lose it, I don't think it's going to break. But it also is part of it being so sturdy and waterproof, is charging like that, not having an open hole, a gaping hole to put a USB-C in or something like that. So it is understandable. I really got to know these, as you could tell by the length of the video. Easy 3-button setup. You've got your pause, play, stop, which is one button. Then you have your volume up and down, which also runs it back as your forward and backwards, depending on if you hold them or you tap them. Easy enough. And I'm showing you here that proprietary plug. I mean, it's got some grip. It's got some grippy do. There's no doubt about it. Man, this is the third week in a row I'm congested. So sorry my voiceover's commentary isn't normal. Maybe I've got the COVID. Who knows? Can you say that on YouTube? Anyway, so pairing this up with an old iPhone was super easy. I think these headphones are, I believe they're Bluetooth 5.3. And I think this old 16 gigabyte, 16 gig iPhone is like Bluetooth 4. And it works fine. It's super easy. I went ahead and put on a stream of some loud dance music. And these earbuds were, now, these headphones were popping. They're different. They go outside your ear. They use vibration. They're different. They're not as loud as I'm used to, but that's really not necessary. What you want with these is to be able to hear the music, the podcast, the radio, but you want to hear your surroundings. And these are perfect. And also, I wore these that night for hours. Super comfortable. Battery is rated around 8 hours. You're going to lose a little time based on volume. You're going to lose a little time if you have that LED light bar on. But these are super impressive. I just have so many Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to put them up for sale. So use the link to get them brand new on Amazon. Big coupon discount on there. But if you want to get them cheap from Ryan, I've got this one pair that I'm selling. SillyReviews.com/store. What do you think? Do you use bone conduction headphones? Do you have anything to say about them? Are you interested in them? Get over to my store. Get over to Amazon. The links are there in the description. You're really going to like these. People who want to move around and need to hear their baby crying, traffic, they're going to give them almost 2 thumbs up. We're going to give them like 1.6 out of 2 thumbs up. Rhythflo. Bone